Hey YouTube, Vermont Prepper here. I just wanted to show you my new toy, which is a buddy for the CUCV that I have, the military blazer. I picked this up, believe it or not, this guy was out of Vermont, and he was about an hour from where I was, in the middle of absolutely nowhere, and he happens to be a collector of military vehicles. He had a bunch of Dodge Power Wagons. I should have actually filmed that place. And he had this M101A2, and the thing is absolutely mint condition. There's nothing wrong. There's zero rust on here. He was an elderly guy and said he never used it. He never towed it anywhere, never did anything, but it came with the top. I actually had to rig it up. You see that wiring there, some temporary 12-volt wiring, because my truck, of course, is not the 24-volt. So I'm going to have to do some rigging up, because somebody before me actually made my Blazer 12-volt as well. But just wanted to give you a quick view of this. And the coolest thing about this thing is, well, one of the coolest things about the trade was this guy had tons of these ammo cans here, right? So I got I got 6 of them, because there's one in the back of my truck actually. And what I did is I traded it for one of the ammo box solar batteries that I make. So it was a free trade basically for me. These ammo boxes, I mean, these are the big ones. These are not small. They're not the the 7.62s. I don't even know what they're for. I haven't read it yet. But I got 6 of them for my battery box, which is really cool. But anyways, what I'm going to do with this, and I'll show you the inside. I got to shine a light. Is you probably can't even see in there. Oh, maybe you can. It's pretty cool. You know, it comes with the sides, the stringers there, or whatever you want to call them, the side rails, as well as the top rails to keep the canvas roof intact. And it looks like, this is a double roof. It's not a single roof. They have two sets of canvas under here. One there, and you see this other one underneath, and that's probably what makes it waterproof. This first one is the waterproof one, and the second one is probably just to, keep it somewhat insulated. But super cool. Just want to give a quick view, and as always, feel free to comment, like, or subscribe. And what I'm going to do with this thing is I'll probably put a winch. I already bought a winch on it, a 3,500 pound ATV winch that I'm going to put probably toward the front of the vehicle there, so that I could winch stuff up. I have my big battery box that I've been building, and that thing is probably like 300 pounds. So I'll be able to wheel that up onto the trailer. I'll put an A-frame box right there, and I'm going to make a battery box out of that as well, the A-frame. So a lot of plans for it. Just wanted to get it before we're going to have a big rain, freezing rain storm tonight, and I wanted to get it today before that starts. And I took it through a power wash to get all the salt off of it, because that and my truck were an absolute mess. And it tows really nice. And, the only thing that I have to do is, probably just raise my pintle hitch a little bit, which I already bought something to raise it with, one of the plate mounts. And the one that's on the truck right now, I'll just put on my Blazer, because it's the exact same height as the trailer should be. 24 inches. Mine's only about 18 inches. So anyways, Vermont Prepper out, and again, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I always like that. All right, guys, take care and be prepared.